Hello everyone and welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have another great video for you today. We are going to talk about some very big news on Lucid Motors. Lucid Group LCID is the ticker. We are going to be talking about why is this stock crashing. Just today alone on December 9th, it has gone down 18%. We will be talking about this and Lucid's futures. I think you're going to get a lot out of this video. Before we get down into it, get started, give me that big thumbs up to keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button if you are new to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you can get all my videos. I do have some promotions down below right now that can get you a free iPhone 13 Pro. I'm using my link to Moomoo. Moomoo does have the best promotion out there. Right now, if you use my link down below, you can get one free stock just for opening an account valued up to $3,500. Put in any amount of money, will grant you an additional free stock valued up to $3,500. But if you put in $100 or more, it will give you a chance to win that iPhone 13 Pro. So far, my viewers have let me know that they received Apple stock, Tesla stock, and Amazon stock, so you can get this in the promotion. Now, I did just want to transition and talk to you about Lucid Motor Group. What is going on with the company? What is going on with the stock? Why is it crashing? It has had a very bad week, Lucid Motors, this week in the news media, and it has provided a lot of downward pressure to bring this stock down over 25% and still dropping. We did go from as high as $55 just a few weeks ago. Now we're very close to $36. We will be talking about, is this company going down? What is going on with this company? Is it a good investment for the future? So first of all, let's tackle a few of the big questions as why is the stock falling. The very first news is that the Securities and Exchange Commission did subpoena Lucid Motors to provide financial paperwork, financial documentations when they were still under Churchill Capital. As you know, Churchill Capital is a special purpose acquisition company that did bring Lucid Motors into the stock market on July 26th of this year. Now, when CCIV Churchill Capital was first making and raising a lot of money to bring Lucid Motors into the stock market, it had to provide the SEC with financial documentation. How viable, how sound is this company financially? So what they did in these financial statements, they had to put how much cash money they have on hand and future projections of future revenues to allow investors to know what kind of company, what kind of valuation is this company having into the future. Well, right now, and these are my opinions only, the Q3 earnings report did just come out very recently. It was last week, that Lucid Motors, the revenue that it's going to be maintaining and coming out, the free cash flow, all these things have been coming out. In my opinion, I do think that it maybe set off some red flags to the SEC, the Securities and Exchange Commission, that they are wanting to go back and review all the documents that were provided by Churchill Capital on Lucid Motors. These are my opinions only. So definitely we'll see more information about what this subpoena is going to look like. But we do know that Lucid Motors is being very cooperative with the SEC. And is this a bad thing for the company? In my opinion, I am not worried about this. And the reason why is I do believe in Lucid Motors as a company and most importantly as its product. I do definitely think it has a very good product that will sell. I do think that it has a very nice demand, but again, we'll have to see all the details once they come out is what this subpoena is all about. But at this point in time, I am not worried about this stock. I have not sold any of my stocks. I am actually thinking about purchasing more. I have purchased some, but I'm thinking about purchasing a lot more of the Lucid Motor stock LCID, as these downward pressures do create very nice buying points. The second very big thing I did want to talk about, and the main reason why the stock is going down more than 18% today and today alone, is that Lucid Motors is now offering $1.75 billion in convertible note offerings. What is this and what does this mean is what we're going to be talking about and focusing this video on today. And at the end, I will be telling you if this is a good buy and what the projection is for this stock. So according to The Street, this article did just come out about 5 hours ago. It is titled Lucid Stock is Lower After the $1.75 billion Convertible Note Offering. So next I wanted to talk about what is a convertible note offering. Is this bad for Lucid Motors Company? Is this abnormal? Well, first of all, a convertible note offering is pretty much just the company raising money to be able to use this money to expand its company, to expand its manufacturing processes. It is quite normal. It is used commonly on new companies that are starting up and also existing companies that are trying to raise money to pay for debt, to pay for future debt. So it is quite normal for Lucid Motors to do this. Remember that this is a brand new EV startup company. They are just now starting the development, and they are going to fast track a mass production of the Lucid Air. So they do need a lot of cash on hand. Now, do they have enough cash on hand? Well, this has now come at a time where the SEC is filing the subpoena, which is putting downward pressure. I am not sure if these two are correlated, but I am not worried about this. This is quite normal for a company to be raising money, especially since Lucid Motors will be mass producing its Lucid Air. It will need a lot of this money for manufacturing, distribution, and producing its Lucid Air vehicles, also for building more manufacturing facilities, factories. So I am not worried about this at all. And actually, let me show you, because remember, Lucid Motors has to be very transparent, and it's actually good that now they are having that SEC subpoena, because they are under a very tight microscope. So whenever it does put all these offering notes out there, it is going to be very transparent. So it is great, and I don't have any worries. I don't have any fears or doubts about this company or about what's going on. I do think that it is offering a lot of nice buying opportunities, because we are having a lot of downward pressure on this stock. But as a company as a whole, I think it's going to be great and do very, very well. And I did now want to transition to show you what Lucid Motors is going to be doing with this money, these note offerings. And they are under a very tight microscope with the SEC, especially being investigated and subpoenaed and reviewed. So they do have to foretell what they're going to be using this money for. And it is, as I have mentioned, they are going to be using this investment, they call it the green investment, in the development, the manufacturing, the distribution of products, key components, machinery related to electric vehicles, energy storage systems, as well as investments and expenditures to renewable energy, energy efficiency, and its water and waste management. So again, they will be using this money for growing the company. I am not concerned about this at all. I do think that this stock has been oversold. I do think that a lot of investors are panic selling. And definitely, as you can see, I'm not worried about this. I do think that it does up for us investors a very nice purchase of the stock at a very cheap price. In my own opinion, I do think that Lucid Motors will be great in the future. I definitely think this is a huge, huge hurdle, a huge speed bump in its stock. But since it's red, this is a good buying opportunity for me. So I'm not really concerned at all. Let me just show you what the stock is doing. Today, the stock has gone down more than 18%. We did start off the stock at $42.60. We did end the day at $36.50. In the past 5 days, we are down by 25% in the stock. Huge discounts. And so we can see last Friday on December 3rd, the stock was $48.50. Right as soon as we are getting all this bad news, when the SEC subpoena did come out, we dropped the stock about 15%. From a high of $47 all the way to $40. Now we have more negative news. So look, now we're having more negative news. Now we're dropping 18%. Total for the past 5 days, 25% down. I have been saying that this stock is very volatile. It will have speed bumps in the road. This is one of those huge speed bumps, but it does give us an opportunity to buy this stock very low, as I do think it has great future potential. Now, in the past 1 month, you are seeing that we are down by 10% in the past 1 month. We have tested 3 resistance points. They were all at $55 and about 50 cents on November 16th, again November 19th, and on November 29th. But we are getting that huge, huge sell-off right now. We have gone past that baseline. We did have a baseline at about $40. We have gone under that now. This does, in my opinion, do give it a very nice buying opportunities, but always do your own due diligence before purchasing this or any other stock, as I am not your financial advisor. But again, I do think that this is very nice potential to get into this stock. I have been saying that this stock could have a potential going less than $35. These are your potentials. These are your chances. If you go back in the past few weeks, there were a lot of people commenting on my videos. This stock will never go under $50. This stock will never go under $40. We're at $36 now. I have been saying as well in my past videos, if you can get the stock under $40, you are getting a great deal in this stock. I think right now it's a great deal. If you get the stock under that $36, you're getting a steal of a deal, in my opinion. Under $35, that's a steal of a deal. You are getting a steal of a deal right now in this stock. If you hold this stock long term, and that's if you hold it long term, more than 12 months, the longer the better. At least 3 to 5 years would be the best and optimal. Now, I did want to transition and tell you what the analysts are saying about Lucid Motor LCID stock. There have been 3 analysts that are reviewing this stock on tip ranks. 2 of these are giving it a strong buy, 1 a sell, which does give it an average of a moderate buy. In the next 12 months, the average price target in the next 12 months is $44.33, which is giving you a 21% upside. Now, the highest price target was from Bank of America at $60. In the next 12 months, the lowest price target was from Morgan Stanley. The analyst did give it a $16 price target in the next 12 months. In my own opinion, I do think that this is the weakest link. I do not think, in my own opinion, that this stock will go as low as $16. If you average all these together in the next 12 months, they do give you that price target in the next 12 months at $44.33, which does give you that 21% upside from now, especially that we've had this stock just fall about more than 25% just in the past 5 trading days. But we'll definitely keep you updated. I do definitely think that this is a very good long-term stock to buy. Let me just show you what the Wallet Investor is saying about this stock. According to Wallet Investor, this stock has been hammered, has gone down quite a bit, but in the next 1 year, they are forecasting that this stock could go up to $66 in the next 12 months, and that is using technical analysis and past trading history in the past 1 month. If you watched my video just a few days ago, this was up over $70. It has dropped quite a bit down just because of the volatility that we've seen in the past 1 month. But the 5-year forecast, if you go back and look, is very similar. It is about $155 roughly. I do definitely think that this is very conservative. In my own opinion, I do think that Lucid Motor stock will be quite higher than this, but always do your own due diligence. In my own personal opinion, I do believe in Lucid Motor stock. I do believe in the company. I still think that it has a great product. I'm always looking at the product. They do have the best product on the electrical vehicle industry in the EV market. They are the closest to compete with Tesla. Remember that they did win the Car of the Year of Motor Trend. They still have the best technology whenever we do look at efficiency, the fastest charging of any battery life with any electric vehicles. This company will still dominate, in my opinion. They are now just being evaluated under a microscope to see if all the checks and balances are done with its balance sheets and its revenues. I definitely think that this will be ironed out, and I don't have any reservation on this stock. And I do think that it is a very good stock to own long term. But always please do your own due diligence before purchasing this or any other stock. But I hope you learned something new. Please give me that big thumbs up, the like button if you did. Smash that subscribe button if you are new to the channel. Hit the notification bell. Also, don't forget to share this video with your family, friends, coworkers so we can grow this channel. I greatly appreciate that. Also, I do have very nice promotions down below. Using my link to Moomoo, they have the best promotion. If you open an account using my link below, you'll get a free stock valued up to $3,500. Put in any amount of money, will get you and guarantee you another free stock, again valued up to $3,500. But if you put in $100 or more, you get a chance of winning a free iPhone 13 Pro. Take advantage of that as you can get a brand new cell phone. If you put in $2,000 or more into this account, we'll guarantee you 3 additional free stocks, each valued up to $3,500. I have had viewers out there write me that they did receive Apple stock, Tesla stock, now Amazon stock. So get your stocks while these promotions last. But thank you again so much for watching, for all your support. Please do not worry in these times. Do not sell when there are red. And this is definitely nice buying opportunities, in my opinion. I think this company is a great investment for the future. But go out there and make some money. I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.